So the entire time period ever since Arjuna has left for where? For Indraloka, for getting Pachupatastra. That period of time on earth is 5 years. 5 years. But Indra would have stayed there for a week or so in Sargaloka. So it means time is perceived, time is different in different parts of the universe. It's not the same everywhere. Yes.
So 5 years in the normal world, or is it 5 years where Arjuna does his things?
It is 5 years on the earth for Dharmaraja Pandavas who are here on the earth. It is 5 years. But for Arjuna, he was there in Indraloka for few days, just for few days. And in relation to this, there is also another story where you guys know Balarama, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Balarama's wife's name is Revati. So Balarama, Revati's father was trying to find an appropriate wife to Revati, husband to Revati. At that point of time, it was Kruta Yuga or Treta Yuga. I think it is Kruta Yuga on the earth. So he cannot find anybody who he thinks that is fit to get married to Revati. So what he does is, he's so agitated, he's so irritated, and he takes that, along with that girl, he goes to Brahmaloka. And when he goes to Brahmaloka, Brahma was, there was a concert going on, there's a music concert going on. Gandharvas are singing, and Revati and her father, they sit there, they listen to the song, the concert. And after the concert, Brahma asks this guy, why are you here? What is the purpose of your visit? Then he says, you have created my daughter, like he's the father of creation, right? So you made my daughter, but I think you forgot to Srishti. You forgot to create a husband to her. Probably you forgot, because I'm not able to find any able person. Then he says, oh my God, you have come here for that? Do you know how many years have passed by on the earth? Close to 400,000 years have passed on the earth. You please immediately leave, and at this point of time, Dwapara Yuga is going on, and there is a guy called Balarama, and that is the person you need to get married your daughter to. He says that, and they immediately rush back to earth, and Revati gets married to Balarama. No, she's not older. No, yugas wise, but she's not older. Her physical age for her physical body is probably 21 or 22. It has stopped, but Balarama is physically 30-year-old. So that is why it is said that Revati is much more taller than Balarama. Physically, she's much more different than people of Dwapara Yuga time. They say that actually. Yeah. Yes, Atharva. Go. Okay. Any other questions? You had a question? Okay. So yeah, that is how time is different in different parts of the universe. So this is also proven today that time doesn't pass the same way it passes on the earth. You can read about it if you want to. You can Google search and read about it.